I am alright.
Hi everyone, welcome and welcome back to my channel. If it's your first time here, my name is Jessie. I hope you're all doing well. So in today's video, we are making egg tarts. I've been craving egg tarts for so long because Yumcha and everything is closed, and it's one of the main things that I order at Yumcha. So today we're going to be actually making it from scratch. One of the key ingredients of egg tarts is cake flour, but we actually don't have cake flour today. So what we're going to do is substitute and use plain flour with cornstarch to make cake flour. But if you do have cake flour, definitely use that. The difference between cake flour and all-purpose flour is that cake flour has less protein, which means less gluten is formed when it's mixed together, and it becomes a softer, fluffier, doughy texture. Whereas all-purpose flour has a little bit more protein, which means the dough and the flour is a little bit harder. So what we're going to do is use 1 cup of plain flour, but we're going to remove 2 tablespoons of the plain flour and substitute that with cornstarch, and we're going to sift that through twice just to break it down and make it into somewhat softer and something more like cake flour. Into the flour mixture, add 1/8 of a cup of powdered sugar, pinch of salt, and then sift. From the sifted mixture we just did, I'm going to re-sift it again to make it a little bit more softer, so we're going to sift it twice. Beat 2 eggs. Add the melted butter. Add 2 tablespoons of the beaten eggs and save the rest for the custard. Add a dash of vanilla extract. So we mix the mixture together with our hands until it becomes like this doughy sort of texture, and there's nothing stuck to the bowl. While that's in the fridge, we're going to prepare our custard. We're adding 90 ml of hot water. In the water, we'll be adding 2 tablespoons of sugar. If you want yours to be a little sweeter, you can add 3 tablespoons. Just a pinch of salt again, and then we give it a good mix until it's all melted. Once this is melted, we're going to set it aside for a little bit and let it cool down. Once that's cooled down, we add our eggs. We're going to use 30 ml of evaporated milk and then a dash of vanilla. Whisk that together. And then we're going to strain the mixture. It smells so good. So we're also putting this into the fridge for 10 minutes. Okay, it's been 15 minutes. We're going to take the pastry out of the fridge. So I'm using just a muffin tray. It's not going to have the wavy texture of a normal egg tart, but this will do just fine. We pretty much split the dough into 6 sections, and we're going to coat it around the tray. Preheat the oven to 200 degrees Celsius. Mold the pastry dough into shape. Pour the custard mixture into the pastry. That goes into the oven for 15 to 20 minutes. tarts before? Let me know in the comment section down below. Remember to like and subscribe, turn on notifications, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!